what we're going to do on this case here, we have the cost of a cell phone plan. The cost is given here, or the graph is given, and we're asked to write an equation to describe this function. We're only going to do C here. We've done these two in class. You can take a look at the notes. We're just going to write an equation to describe this function. It's a straight line, which means that it is a linear function. And when we solve for this, we're going to use our equation y equals mx plus b. So we need to solve for what is m, what is b, what is y, what is x. We need to find all of these values. Y and x are just going to be the letters that represent the horizontal and vertical axes. The horizontal axis, or our regularly x-axis, is n. So we're going to replace x with n. The vertical axis, which represents our cost, is c. So we have y is c and x is n. And we're going to end up replacing them into our function later on. Next, we can find what is our y-intercept. And we notice that we have a point right there at 20. That is our y-intercept. Again, if we don't have a nice y-intercept, we can't use this formula. But because it is a really nice y-intercept, we can use it. We notice that we have another point up here that we can use. And so, using this, we can find our slope between these 2 points. Now remember that our slope is going to be the same no matter what on any 2 points along the graph. So we can pick any 2 points and find what the slope is. To find our slope, we use m is equal to rise over run. Our rise, we're going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots. The run, so we're going up 6, but remember that this is 30. There's a mistake by me on the video. Yikes. Okay, we're going up 30, going up from 20 to 50, so that's 30. And we're going across from 0 to 100, so this is 100. Our run is 100. Our rise is 30. Now, when we have this, we want to simplify it. We can divide those both by 10, so we get a value of 3 over 10. This is our slope, 3 over 10. When we put this all back into our equation, y is c, so we're looking for the cost, is equal to 3/10 times the number of minutes beyond 300, and then we add the $20 that is our base cost. And that's how we find our formula. Verifying if the equation is correct is just done by taking another value. Another point that we have is right here at 50, 35. If we plug 50 in for n, we should get 35 as our c value.